Golden words. Golden words are like jewels. They shine bright and make you stand apart. Can you say the golden words for these pictures? When someone gives you something, you say, "Thank you." When you don't hear something for the first time, you say, "Excuse me." When you do something wrong, you say, "Sorry." After you woke up, you treat your parents with "Good morning." Before sleeping, you wish your parents "Good night." When you want something, you say, "Please." Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos.